Welcome to my channel World Talks Food Walks. Don't forget to subscribe. Today we're going to see how to make the onion bajjis or the onion pakoda. So we just need four main ingredients here: onion, coriander, besan, green chili. Besan is nothing but the chickpea flour, red chili powder, salt according to your taste. So let's take a plate and combine everything. So I'm showing you the smaller quantity as usual. So this is about 1 cup of onion, which are roughly diced. So to this we will be adding the remaining ingredients and giving a nice mix. So first, don't use water, just add all the ingredients. Now I'm adding the green chilies. It gives a nice kick and nice taste. So if you like your pakodas to be spicy and give that nice kick, the green chili will do the justice for that. Next, I added the coriander leaf. Now I'm adding the chickpea flour or the besan. So I'm just adding a few spoons here just to make sure it coats the onions well, and then I'll add a few more spoons so that it gives a nice crunchy texture to the pakodas. I'm adding like 1/4 spoon of red chili powder. Remember, we added green chilies as well. So now let's add the salt, 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of baking soda. Mix all the ingredients so that the water content in the onion comes out and gets coated with the chickpea flour and all the masalas. So I'm adding water here, just little by little. Make sure to make a soft dough. Let it not be too dry or too watery. So this is the consistency what we need. So the mixture is ready to be fried in oil. So the oil is getting heated up here. Now let's fry our pakodas and enjoy the rainy season along with a cup of coffee or tea, as you prefer, along with the pakodas. So I also recorded the rain outside while I'm frying the pakodas. You can just take a look. You can see the water dripping here. It's really nice and cold outside, and fresh pakodas are being fried in the kitchen. So who doesn't like to enjoy the rain with the hot pakoda and a cup of hot coffee or tea? So let's try this today itself and enjoy the rain and enjoy the hot pakodas as well. I know this is a very simple recipe, so for those of you who doesn't know to prepare it, I think this will help them a lot. So subscribe to my channel for more simple recipes and enjoy preparing all the recipes. Thank you for watching.